Calendars are a great way of staying organized and productive, keeping track of important dates and appointments. Within this video, we will guide you through all the essential tips to utilize your calendar to work smarter, not harder. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get more useful videos like this one. Number 1. Decide what type of calendar to use. The first step to getting organized is to decide what type of calendar you want to use. Do you want a digital calendar that connects to your emails or phone? Or do you prefer a more traditional method with a paper and pen format? There are many types of calendars to choose from, so just select the one that will best fit into your daily routine. Number 2. Set your intentions. Do you want to use your calendar for work purposes, house chores, personal events? Define what your intentions are before creating your calendar. For example, you can color-code it based on different work and personal tasks, or separate them into different calendars. Number 3. Make a daily or weekly plan. Increase your productivity by making a plan for the week and allocating a specific time within your calendar to complete each task. For example, if you have a business budget to plan, allocate the necessary amount of time needed to complete the task within your most productive hours. Number 4. Block out your time. Like we mentioned in the previous point, allocating time for a task is a great way to maximize productivity. Similarly, it'll also show coworkers when you're busy, and they will know not to disturb you if they have access to your digital calendar, which in turn will limit distractions. Number 5. Prioritize. If you have a lot of events on your calendar, it's a good idea to prioritize the most important ones. You can do this by using a color coding system or by utilizing the priority labels within your digital calendar. If you're using a paper format, use highlighters or number items to create a priority ranking. Number 6. Use shared calendars. Once you've organized your calendar, share it with your manager so they are aware of your daily tasks and schedule. They can then schedule in time for meetings around your planned events. In order to get the most out of using a calendar, you should keep it organized and remove any clutter or canceled events. Also, make sure to move any incomplete tasks to the next day. Now that you know how to organize your calendar, you're one step closer to being more productive. But if you're still confused and need some more help, visit CareerAddict.com. CareerAddict offers a range of professionally designed resume templates suited to different professions. So whether you're a student or an executive, we have the best options for you. Head over to our website, linked in the description below, to find your ideal template at a reasonable price. And don't forget to like the video and click on the subscribe button to get more insightful tips.